So hello everyone, in this video we will be solving another LeetCode problem and the problem name is binary prefix divisible by 5. So let us read the problem statement. So you are given a binary array nums and then they said that we define x of I as the number whose binary representation is the subarray of nums from 0 to that particular index. Then they have explained with the help of an example that is 101 and they have defined x0 as this particular from 0 to 0, that is 1 in the binary as well as in decimal. Then x of 1 is this particular subarray which is 1 0 in binary and 2 in decimal. Then x of 2 is this particular subarray which is 1 0 1 in binary and 5 in decimal. So in the end what they want us to find out is the answer of 5 for each and every subarray, whether that particular x of I is divisible by 5 or not. So this is the problem statement. So yeah, let us see how we will be finding the solution with the help of this first example. So the first example is 0 1 comma 1. So initially the number will be 0. So if we are currently here, how will we compute the decimal representation? We know that every time we shift a digit in binary, it gets multiplied by 2. So this is how we'll be doing. So whatever the previous number would be, will multiply by 2 plus the current nums of I. So for this particular index, the decimal representation will be what? 0 times 2 plus 0, which is nothing but 0. Now whether it is divisible by 5 or not, yes, it is divisible by 5, so we will return true here. Then we come to this particular index. So our number becomes now 0 1, which is 1 in the decimal. So how we will compute? Previous number was 0 times 2 plus the current digit is 1, so 1, which is nothing but giving us the answer as 1. Whether it is divisible by 5 or not, no, it is not, so we will be returning false. Then we come on to this index. The subarray is this 0 1 1 and the decimal representation is 3. So how will we compute? The previous number multiplied by 2 plus the current digit, which is nothing but 3, and whether it is divisible by 5 or not, no, it is not divisible by 5, so we will be returning false. Now this is how we will do, but there is one catch. We can't keep track of the entire number because this array can be very large, so we will just run out of bounds for this like nums, that particular number. So instead of keeping track of entire number, we'll just be keeping track of remainders. Now why remainder? Because we have the modulo arithmetic property. Let's say if we have something like x mod 2 plus b mod 5, so we can equate it to x mod 5 multiply by 2 plus b mod 5. So instead of generating a new number every time, we will be generating new remainder every time with the help of this modulo arithmetic property. So instead of generating new number, we are just keeping track of previous remainder and will be generating the new remainder. So that is the change what we are doing. Otherwise everything is same. So let us see the code now for better understanding. So initially we have declared the vector bool of ans, which will be like storing all the true and false for the current subarray. Then n as the size of the nums array, then the first remainder or at the 0th index. You can also start with 0, but I have started with index 1. You can start it with 0 also. Then we are iterating onto each and every index and try to compute the new remainder. Why new remainder? Because of the modulo arithmetic property. So that new remainder will be what? 2 times multiplied by the previous remainder plus the current number mod by 5. In the same way, we are just checking whether this particular remainder is 0 or not. If it is 0, it will be storing true, otherwise it will be storing false. In the end, we are just returning this answer which is storing all the true false for the corresponding subarray. So I hope you understand this solution. So thank you for watching.